Hi, I'm Leah Engel. If you're watching this video, it's because you are one of my international baccalaureate biology students, either virtual or in-person blended. Um, so this is your Meet the Teacher video to let you see the face behind the mask. So let's get into it. What's my background? I have a degree in biology, a minor in Spanish, and then I have a master's in secondary education, and then I went back to graduate school again and got my certification to be a building level administrator for grades K through 12. Yeah, so it's for all public school grades. And then let's see, what else do I do? So I teach accelerated biointegrated, and that used to be called pre-AP. It's just kind of renamed now. And then I also teach IB, both virtual and blended. If you need me, email me at lingle@bentonvillek12.org. That's LINGLE at bentonvillek12.org. That's the best way to get a hold of me. And I'm usually pretty good about emailing you right back. So within 24 hours, you'll definitely have a response from me. These are just year at a glance links and syllabus links and all of that. They'll go live. All of you at this point should have received a copy of a syllabus. If you haven't, please let me know and I can email you a digital copy of that. What is a year at a glance or a YAG? That just lets you know the order that the topics will go through. In IB right now, we're talking about cells and the history of cells, and also what it means to be alive. And that seems like a different type of question, but it's become a beautiful conversation topic. So we're going through cells, and then we will get to, so topics under cells will include stem cells. They will include basic eukaryotic, prokaryotic, the topics about what it means to be alive and what it doesn't. And then what else? Theory versus social, theory versus scientific. And then we will move on to organic chemistry at a much higher level than you will have experienced thus far. And then I think we still go to photosynthesis and cellular respiration after that, which is still kind of biochemistry-ish. But at least we can talk about plants and exercise and lactic acid and fermentation and all of that. So anyway, this class is tough. I won't lie. It's a wonderful class and super rewarding and totally worth all the effort it's going to take. But the topics are tough. They're complicated. They're complex, and we will definitely conquer them together. But it's just something that, and they are prepared, but it's just something you should be prepared for in advance, is that this class is just, it's a lot. What else? You have an internal assessment that lasts all year long. So that's a lab that you will do outside of class. There's a giant paper that you will write that's 6 to 12 pages. And it's sort of a glorified lab report plus a literature review about your experiment that you're going to carry out this year. So we will work on that together. You will submit chapters to me, and you already have the syllabus on Google Classroom. So anyway, we'll go through that some together, but a lot of that work is done outside of class. And then I sort of just talk to you and go through my comments with you in person. But the majority of the work for that is outside of class. We have standardized tests in the spring. Traditionally, you have what's called paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3, as well as a group 4 project. However, due to a global pandemic, group 4 is taken off, and then paper 3 is also taken away. And so we have paper 1 and paper 2 still, which means there's 2 different tests. There's multiple choice, which is paper 1 over all the topics all year long. And then there's short answer or paragraph response, and that's paper 2. And once again, it's over all of the topics all year long. So it's always cumulative. So our assessments in that way at the end are very much cumulative. So everything we do is to keep it fresh, keep that on your brain all the time. I think that's about it. If you have any questions about IB, please email me, and I am always happy to help. I have a YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube and you search BHS Biology with Engel, you'll find my stuff, and I'm trying to put a bunch of stuff on there for IB right now. So check out YouTube and email me. Bye.